guys, welcome to my friend's channel and my friend's vlog. This time I want to show you Waterfall Toroan, and before that let me change my clothes. And then after I change my clothes, let's go to Waterfall Toroan.
20 minutes later.
Is the front view from Waterfall Toroan, and sorry if it's shaking because I record it with my phone. And from here actually we already can see the green view from plan and it's refreshing. And by the way, Waterfall Toroan is easy to find because it's inside of the road. But before we go inside, let me show you my school, okay? And let me introduce myself. My name is Mafia. You can call me Rahma. I'm in class 12 Science 5. So I'm finished introduced to you my school. So let's go back to the trip. From gate, we have two directions. It's right way and the left way. And by the way guys, just information, it's morning, but the sun is burning me, oh my gosh. From that the ways, I decide to go forward, go down to the stair and following the stair. And down there we will see the main waterfall in Toroan. So follow me. Toroan Waterfall is the only waterfall in Madura, and it's a natural unique swell at the end of the river. Underneath that has steeply sloping riverbank beautifully carved, and the stream past that sloping riverbank. Took the height of the waterfall is not high, about 10 meters. This waterfall is located in Ketapang Daya village, Ketapang district. It's easy to get there because there are much public transportation. It's affordable and supported by the good condition of the road. The location from the district capital is about 3 kilometers, while the distance from the Gensi capital is about 43 kilometers. Accommodation main provide this tourist resort is a rest house that is now managed by the government of Sampang second level regency. And this mini waterfall make a river that connected to the sea, and from there is a sign in the stone that not allow us to swim in the waterfall area because it's dangerous. And information, I come to waterfall the day after rain, and it's very sleepy in here. I must be careful, and I warn you guys to be careful in here because it's so sleepy, and you may be fall in here. So be careful guys. From here actually you can see the main waterfall, I can come forward because it's so many people in there. I come in weekend day, so which means it's many family go to this destination, guys. Look, it's so big. Oh my god. I will show you the good view from here, okay? Wait a minute. Finally, I can take the clear video so you can see the view from here. Look, the sky is very blue and it's beautiful. Wow. And by the way, guys, I want to go to that sea reef, but I can't because it's slippery and dangerous. Even though there we can get a good photos and video from there. So pretty. I really like in there. Wow. The left side we have three photo shoot or like photo zone. Let's I view to you. Now after go up from the gate, I take the left way. There is three photo zone that you can take photo. I will show you the photo zone. This is the first photo zone. Wow, have a good view, right? And this is look like a house or gazebo. I don't know, but it's the second photo zone. It's good to I take a photo in there. I will show you in the end of the video if you want. And this is the last photo zone. It fit for 5 human. They have a very good view, guys, so I recommend you guys to go here. If you keep walking forward, when you pass the photo zone, you can see the stair here. It's direct you to go down, and then you will meet the gazebo down there, and you can see the beautiful view in there. Look. It's a magnificent view, right? Look now. I really want to go down there, but it's a couple right now and I don't want to disturb them. So I will go to the right zone right now. I will show you the cafeteria now. So follow me. Finally, this is the right way from the gate. And you can see this is the first rest area and then motorcycle parking lot. I parked my motorcycle in there. And there is a mini restaurant too. I will show you the menu after this, and then if you go forward from the right area, you can see some thing. The menu and the drink there, and then eat at the rest area. I kept walking straight while taking the right direction from the gate, and I met this mini garden rest area and then traditional gazebo. I'm sitting in the second rest area. I can see this beautiful view sound of the sea, and I can feel a cool breeze that hit my body. It's very relaxing for me and I like it. But since I have very long time in here and it's already daytime, I need to go home right now and then see you in my next video. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment in my video, and then bye.